Welcome to the Dynamic Assessments of Fluid Responsiveness training for the Cheetah Starling SV. This presentation will cover the following learning objectives. Understand the on-screen prompts on how to correctly run a PLR in fluid bolus dynamic assessment. Learn the change in stroke volume criteria that indicates a positive test. Understand how to adjust the procedure if the on-screen message indicates an unstable baseline. There are two types of fluid challenge protocols, dynamic assessments, in the Cheetah Starling SV system. Passive leg raise, PLR, or fluid bolus, FB challenges are optimal ways to assess the fluid responsiveness of a patient. PLR is a bedside maneuver that translocates the equivalent of approximately 200 to 300 milliliters of blood, sequestered mainly in the calf veins back to the heart. It is quick, safe, and reversible. A positive PLR test, an increase of equal to or greater than 10% in SVI, indicates that the patient is on the ascending limb of the Starling curve. PLR has been validated to have excellent sensitivity and specificity to determine fluid responsiveness. The baseline phase will run for 3 minutes, and you can track the time on the upper right-hand corner. Once the baseline measurements are complete, the Cheetah Starling SV system will direct the user through the remainder of the PLR protocol. Directions are clearly visible on the touchscreen, as you can see here. Accommodate the patient to supine position and elevate legs to 30 to 45 degrees. Please ensure the PLR remains passive by asking the patient to lie still and allow the legs to be raised. Once the PLR protocol is complete, a PLR protocol report will be shown. This report will highlight the change in stroke volume and cardiac output from the beginning of the PLR challenge, and also indicates where the patient resides on the Frank-Starling curve, upper right chart. Also, note that the percentage delta in stroke volume is shown on the PLR protocol report. Performing a fluid bolus challenge with the Cheetah Starling SV system is similar to performing a PLR protocol. Access the menu screen, select Protocols, and then Bolus. As with the PLR, a baseline measurement will first be achieved. The baseline measurement will run for 3 minutes, and you can track this time on the screen in the upper left corner. Once baseline is established, follow the directions on the screen for completing the fluid bolus protocol. Once the bolus protocol is complete, a bolus protocol report will be shown on the screen, with the same parameters shown as on the PLR protocol report. Again, this report highlights where the patient resides on the Frank-Starling curve, as well as the delta percentage change in stroke volume, which is important for assessing fluid responsiveness of the patient. Multiple dynamics assessment screen display ensure proper assessments. This concludes the Cheetah Medical Starling SV Dynamic Assessments training. Please refer to the IFU user manual for additional user application instruction, troubleshooting, and maintenance information. Thank you.